I'm really very glad to see all of you on this occasion of Teachers' Day. You all know we celebrate Teachers' Day to commemorate the birth anniversary of our second President of India, Sri Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan Garu. He has given a spirit for the entire teaching fraternity throughout the country. Right from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, like his spirit has been spread through this day, that is Teachers' Day. Like it has been years that he has passed away, but still the spirit has been continued year after year, and till this year of 2020, where we are facing a pandemic and all the teachers have gone online. But still, with the teachers, the teaching spirit, like they could learn online teaching methods and all that, and the technology has been instantly learned by all the teachers, and they are giving the best output for the children of tomorrow. The children of tomorrow are not idle, thanks to the technology and also the spirit that has been guiding the country, all the teachers of the country. Now, let me talk about the teachers of Sri Vidyanjali and Shikara. I'm really glad that, like, very quickly all of you have learned the online teaching methods and giving your best, and not just words from my side. The recent survey shows that which was done last week, wherein we took the inputs from the parents regarding the classes, it shows that 99.99% of the parents are happy, which is an awesome result. I would like to congratulate all the teachers of the schools who have given the best in this situation where everybody is shutting down, but like we are still able to open the minds of the children, blooming out and doing every activity in the school continuously without leaving a single. So, and now this is the time where everybody is staying at home, managing everything at home, but still giving the best output for the children. I hope children also will understand the same, and I'm more happy for one issue. Though there is physical distance, children are sitting at home and teachers as well sitting at home and giving their part of teaching. I do not say that it has been limited only to the subject matters. It has always been a principle in the school that there should be an emotional connect with the children, and I'm really seriously happy that there is still an emotional connect between the teacher and the child continuously through small energizers and also the general talk, and to increase this emotional connect from the coming week you're all going to work even more harder, taking more number of periods and maintaining the connect with all the children in your batch. So it is not an easy task, I understand that, but still you all have given me the spirit that you are going to give the best, and thanks for accepting whatever suggestions that were put forward by me. And now, since all of you are ready, I'm really very happy that you all have agreed to take more number of classes. I know you understand that there is a emotional need, emotional connect, which is the need of the hour for the children, because children are sitting at home, nobody to speak to them. Probably they are speaking to each other through technology after the online classes, but still teacher can maintain that emotional connect directly like through the online classes, even though there is a physical distance. So I wish this will help the child more. When the teacher calls out his or her name, children will respond even in a better way. And I wish all the best to all the teachers and also to the children. And on this occasion, I would like to appreciate all the parents once again, because like without your cooperation, without your support, this online system would not have been so successful as it is being run now in the school. Thank you, and many happy wishes to all the teachers. A very happy Teachers Day to all of you. Thank you.